Sova watching short.
Shock dart.
He's in there. Under
dart.
heaven now.
Last player standing.
Close CT.
It's insane you're getting swinged on 20 ping players when you have like 50. It's just such a difference. City ping is considered bad. Yeah, in this game they have their basically the way that netcode is set up is to make sure that you're only at not an advantage or disadvantage if everyone's below 35 ping. So 50 ping in its own is bad. 60 is worse. 70 is worse. 120 you can actually swing hard with and just like time people with peak disadvantage.
Die.
One more line.
I can do that. I have done that. It's insane. I can pay a VPN so my ping is around 120, 130 and just swing on people. It's stupid strong. But then you can't hold angles.
Yeah, there's a lot of them. 2 more.